Welcome back, people. We will now be resuming with our coding part. So this is the main activity that you see here. We will be making the changes in this activity. First things first we will have to declare some arrays here. This array will contain all the versions that we want to show on the screen. So the versions array is done. Now we will also have to make an array which will have the IDs of all the drawables that we will be requiring. So I've also put the images drawables here. And then I'll declare my spinner. A text view. Inside the onCreate method, I will define these variables. And then I will define an adapter here. Now, this my adapter is not actually an Android class. I am going to make another adapter in another class, and I'm going to make an object of it here. So, which we will do in our next step. But till then, just wanted to inform you guys that this will keep showing red only because the compiler does not really understand what is this my adapter. So I'm setting everything up. And here I set adapter. Alright, now yeah, so it is not recognizing it. It will recognize it once I create the adapter. So let's create the adapter first. For creating the adapter, I'll go to this package, new Java class, my adapter. And here I will extend it and also mention the string. The declarations are done. Now I'll have to define a constructor. I will give reference to the layout that I've made, the row 1. And this context has to be passed. This is done. Now we will have to write the over the view method. This is again going to be like, if you remember, we made dialog, right? Custom dialog is very similar to that only. We will be creating a custom view here. So this method basically returns a view. We will be defining get custom view. That's why it is showing in red right now. So we actually need to give two views here. One is when things have not, when the spinner has not been clicked, and one is when the drop down is clicked. So then how does everything look? So that is why we have to create two views here. We missed on this. And now we will be defining the custom view. call the layout inflator here, like we did for custom dialogues also. Context dot layout inflator service. Such services are there in Android. Going forward, we will be using other services as well. Convert view is equal to inflator dot inflate. Again, I'm associating row with this. And this is done. You see above up there were red. This was showing in red because we had not defined this method. Now this method is defined, so now that problem is no more there. And we have to take the reference of convert view here because this view gets generated dynamically. And now I will set text here. Similarly for image view also I have to do this because every drop down that comes down should also have an image with it. Here ID will be picked from here. What was the image view ID? Icon. So I will give here icon. And then set image resource. And I give here position. And finally we return the view. So now we can take a break here and we'll meet in the next video to finally complete our main activity which was left because we had to make our adapter. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.